The greatest trick that big tech has ever pulled was convincing the world that access is the same thing as ownership. For 15 years, the global industries has built their entire empire on land they didn't own. From logistics to finance to healthcare. They told themselves they were building digital fortresses, but they were just furnishing a hotel room. And big tech had the master key. Today, that lease is up. We are seeing the shift from the era of renting instances to the era of owning engines. And the difference isn't just technology, it's sovereignty. So what is a cloud engine? When an enterprise spins up an engine, they execute a maneuver physically impossible on big tech. They provision a sovereign subnet. They don't share resources. They don't have noisy neighbors. They select the hardware, the geography, and the borders. It's like a digital country where the constitution is written in code, the big tech feed dies, and only they hold the pen. But sovereignty is just the shield. To win, you need a sword. This is where the power dynamic flips. The old model was about praying you don't get deplatformed. The new model is about weaponizing the providers. We call it cloud on cloud. An enterprise can configure the engine to run across multiple providers at once. Nodes in AWS, nodes in Google, nodes in a Swiss bunker, all running the same protocol, syncing the same state. If one provider goes down, the engine doesn't blink, it treats the hyperscalers like a dumb hard drive. We use their metal, but we run our logic. If the traffic spikes, you don't rewrite your architecture, you just add more nodes. Horizontal scaling without changing a single line of code. It's infinite capacity with zero friction. The technology breaks the lock, but the economics breaks the bank. Look at the ledger. In the legacy model, you aren't paying for compute. You're paying for a logo on a building. A 400% markup just for the privilege of being a tenant. In the engine model, that margin evaporates. You don't pay a cloud landlord, you pay the network. You deal directly with the supply chain, paying the node providers for the hardware and the protocol for the security. The middleman is gone. This is the first true industrial rate for digital real estate. The cloud was a 15-year detour, a temporary centralization of the world's compute. But that detour is over. The enterprise is now facing the only decision that matters. Do they want to remain tenants in a building that can evict them? Or are they ready to own the ground that they stand on? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay blessed and see the signal.